This is how I failed my Amazon affiliate program and my membership was cancelled. In case you do not want to make the same mistakes that I made, you need to watch this video. Hi everyone, so welcome to another episode of Let's Talk Money. Call me Mo, I am a business owner and I share content relating to business, finance and general money tips through literature, art and music. If you are new here, you are welcome. If you are returning, I'm saying thank you. Before I get right into today's video, I'd like to share a quick disclaimer. Please note that the information I will be sharing here today is solely for educational purpose and should neither be treated as business, finance, advertisements, nor legal advice. Thank you so much. My Amazon affiliate journey started in June of year 2023, and I was so privileged to be a part of the program and was accepted upon my application. If you know Amazon affiliate so much, they do give you a 6-month trial period to begin, and then when you are able to meet all of the conditions, you become part of the program fully. To sign up with the Amazon affiliate program, all you need to do is to visit the Amazon Associate website, where you would find all the necessary information required for you to be a part of it. I do like the fact that this program allows anyone who shows interest and who also has a site where they could generate traffic to sign up, and you definitely would have a trial period of 6 months. And when you decide to start, you are given the obligation to meet certain conditions before you are fully part of the program. So what are the obligations? The obligations I had, and I know that a lot of other people had, was to promote products that I felt I could promote through my website, and then using my Amazon affiliate link, I will be able to make sales. The expectation is that as at 6 months, I was expected to make at least 3 qualified sales where I would earn commission through the use of my affiliate link, and I had these obligations. I was excited about the process, but I never really knew what the Amazon affiliate program was all about. So all I did at the time was to look it up, understand what affiliate program was, and I just decided to run the way I felt it should have been done. And no wonder I had my own hiccups along the way, and that's also the reason I decided to share this video with you. I did learn a few lessons, and I'm also going to tell you in the course of this video what those lessons are and what methods they are as well, because if you understand the lessons, you will be able to apply it in your own journey, whether as an Amazon affiliate or any other sort of affiliate marketer. So before I go further, I will tell you what the lessons I learned are. Like I said, these lessons are also methods that you could use for your own self. So what are the lessons I learned? I did learn first that you need a following. Contrary to what a lot of people would say, that you don't need a following. When you start up your YouTube channel, you could start making money from day one. I totally disagree based on experience. I'd say that I've found it easier, that it is best that you have a certain level of following on your social media pages. That would definitely help you when you become an affiliate marketer. Additionally, it is not just about the following. You also have to have established a certain level of trust between yourself and your followers, so that when you decide to start your affiliate marketing, they do understand the reasons behind you doing that. And these are the things I learned. It is not just enough to have that following. You should also have been able to build a level of trust, because the truth is, nobody sees you. You're only going to buy off that link. Whilst you would have people buying on a one-off basis or buying on impulse, if you really want to succeed as an Amazon affiliate or any other affiliate, you really need to have a group of persons or that community or those for that following that trust you and has a relationship with you. Now, the second thing is community. The community spans from the first aspect of you having a following. You also have to have a community. Join communities. There are several communities on social media that you could join, and that's why I always say that the first adapters to technology are usually the first set of people who enjoy the benefits of technology.
When you have a community of persons who share common interests and goals with you, your affiliate marketing journey is a lot easier. I didn't have that. Even though I read about it, I realized that it was going to be hard, even though I started integrating much later, but it was really hard. So if you are looking to start as an affiliate, find a community to join. An additional thing you want to do is to understand digital marketing. Whether or not you like it, e-commerce affiliate marketing requires a level or a high degree of digital marketing. And there are several people who would help you with digital marketing. Yes, some of us might say, oh, so long as I have a social media page, I should be able to do that. I used to believe that until I learned, better. And the thing about digital marketing is that it is easy once you understand it. It helps you scale easily, and it makes your work a lot easier. And the truth, and what I always emphasize, is there are times that you might not know everything. It is not bad to seek the advice of those who know. And there are platforms where you would find people who know about these things. Don't hesitate to reach out to them for help. And there are platforms where you could also learn, because that's what I did. I had to learn about digital marketing. I had to learn about a lot of things. YouTube did a lot of things for me as well, and it really did help me. Another thing that a number of us might not consider is copying others. The truth is, there are people who have gone ahead of us in certain things, and it will not be wrong to copy what they are doing. So one of the things I also liked to do at the point was to look at people who had succeeded at affiliate marketing in general, and I decided to start looking into what they were doing, what I was doing differently. I didn't know a lot about affiliate marketing, but I was able to see what people were doing. I was able to learn from them, and I was able to put that to use. At this point, I have to add that should you require the services of your professionals in order to implement all of these methods I have mentioned thus far, don't hesitate to employ their services. Professionals are fantastic in the things that you do. They also help you and guide you on how to go about these things. So after everything, how much did I earn as an Amazon affiliate? Sadly, I earned $2.28. I could only make one sale because everything I started implementing, I started late, really late, towards the end of my 6 months period. Even though Amazon sent me an email and said I could reapply, because I did really try my best, but I decided to give it a time, and also decided to just pause a bit, look at where I did make my corrections, do things better before I decide to apply. So I thought it expedient that I should make this video for someone out there who might need to have this information. I hope you did find some value in my video. If you did, please consider giving it a like, a share, or a subscription. Thank you so much for watching.